pan-fried pork steak. It sounds scary, but it looks delicious. We're going to show you how to do this for around $2.50, including the sides and the starch. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off with a 5-ounce pork steak. About this $3 a pound, it's around 90 cents. We have a lime for the sauce, green peppers, my habanero, and onions. Slice them up. We'll finish those off as a sauce here. We have parsley for finishing, salt, butter, any kind of seasoning. We are using Yugo, which is a Maggi substitute, but you can use Heinz 57, you can use Worcestershire, soy sauce, whatever. Choice is yours. My Kinder seasoning salt, and cracked black pepper. We're going to start off. Our boneless pork chop is in a Ziploc freezer bag. Get our mallet and start pounding. Good time to work your frustrations out. Turn it over. If you don't have a meat mallet, you can always use a pan. Works the same way. Then you go out with my special equipment. Use what you have on hand, always. I prefer the mallet, but either way works. Take your frustrations out. There you go. Part's done. Pull the pork steak out. We have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You want to season your pork steak. Well, it's after it's pounded out, not before. You don't want to season your flour because you'll waste a lot of flour. It'll go bad. Seasoning salt, cracked pepper, a little bit of salt here. Turn it over and do the entire thing all over again. Flip things over, make sure everything is coated. You want to seal the pork chop up totally when you fry this thing. This is great, you're going to like this. Okay, let's turn our pan on. Let's turn our pan on. Get it to about medium heat. Let the pan get hot as always. This is going to be good. You're going to like this. You're going to cook this all the time. And it's not just pork. You can use fish, you can use beef, you can use chicken breast, chicken thighs. It's a great technique. And I'll show you how to finish it off in the end with a citrus butter sauce. Impress your friends. Like this all the time. Burner's getting hot. Let's add our olive oil. You want to put enough to cover in there, but you don't need a whole lot. We're not doing a deep fry, we're doing a pan fry. So it's lightly frying across the surface. Let your oil get hot. The way you can tell when your oil's hot, drop a little bit of flour in there. If it starts sizzling like that, it's ready. Here goes our pork chop. Let that cook off. In the meantime, we'll cut up our bell pepper. Our onion. And our garlic. I cut the ends off the garlic to make it easier to peel. Take it, smash it, peel will come right off. There you go. Alright, garlic smashed up, garlic to be cut, sliced very thin. This will be going in sauce to make the gravy. We got our pork to a gorgeous golden brown color. We will take this off and put it on a drying rack. If you're going to cook a bunch of these things for a few people, put them on a sheet pan with a rack on there, throw them in the oven about 200 degrees, keep them warm while you're making the sauce and finishing everything else up. Now comes the fun part. Put your onions, green peppers, and garlic in. Let's get these cooked down. We'll make our sauce, our garlic citron sauce. See the sauce? This smells wonderful. A little cracked black pepper. A little bit more salt. We're going to throw in our butter. Melt the butter down. Gonna make a lot of sauce here. Take your lime, squeeze it in. Good finishing sauce. Now we're going to add our flour. Same flour that came off the cooking pan. Get your sauce stirred up. Let your flour cook down for a second and cook the taste out of there. We've got a little bit better than bouillon, ham base to go in. Great flavor. And now you want to add your water. With stir. Good brown citron butter sauce. A little more water. I think that's going to do it. Our gravy's done. Rice is plated. Look at that. That's gorgeous. We still have some left over. You can take some rolls and you can sop this stuff up. It will be delicious. But here's our plate of food. We did this for under $3. Pork steak, boneless pork chop, rice, mixed vegetables. Mixed vegetables were just steamed and added butter added to it and seasoning salt. But that's it. That's a meal. Any restaurant will cost you $16 to $20 for the same thing. So, bon appetit. We'll come back and we'll try this. Stay tuned. Well, there you go. Pan fried, boneless pork chop, rice, mixed vegetables. Look at that. Isn't this gorgeous? Now I have to add my signature habanero. You know I love those. Let's go into little strips here. Ooh, this smells very hot. It's going to be delicious. I love these guys. We'll come back and we'll try this, and I'll let you know how it is. In the meantime, you guys need to try this. This is good, this is quick, this is easy. This will impress your family. It'll be something different that you can have at least once a week. Remember, pork chops, chicken, fish. You can even do this with seafood. You can do it with shrimp, meunier. It's a good technique that you can do over and over again. And for the sides, obviously, mashed potatoes would have been very good with this. Green beans, whatever. You get the idea. Let's come back and try this, and I'll let you know how it is. Fried pork steak, rice, mixed vegetables with a citron lemon gravy. Let's try this, see how it is. It smells delicious. I got my habaneros on there. Let's get a piece of this pork steak right off the bat. Cuts good, it's tender. Get too big a bite right there. Get a little bit of rice, and that is good. You can see Siggy in the background. She always wants to get in the thing here. That's very good. The pork is tender. It's not dry at all. The rice, let's get some of the rice. Plain white rice. We had the rice left over. When you heat it, pro tip, when you heat up rice, put a little bit of water in there, just a sprinkle. Put some water on your hands, sprinkle it on top there before you microwave it. That way it will not dry out because you'll steam the rice instead of cooking it. Anyway, let's try some broccoli. Big piece of broccoli, don't want that. This is good stuff though. Broccoli's good. Once again, frozen mixed vegetables, threw them in a pot, steamed them off, put them on a plate, added butter and seasoning. Very simple. You can try this at home. We're putting this channel together because we want people to know that anybody can cook, and cooking is easy. There's no magic involved. Here's Siggy. Everybody wants to see her. There she is. Say hi, Sig. There's no magic involved in cooking. It's easy, it's simple, it's very straightforward. Anybody can do it. Anybody can save money. Anybody can cook on a budget. And if you like this video, if you think it can help somebody, please share with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, like, add a comment. Let us know what you're thinking. Let us know where you're viewing from. Very importantly, it's interesting to see where all the comments come from. And we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. I'm going to get in this thing and finish eating. You take care, and I'll see you next time.